Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to go through the top 5 best Forex brokers with fixed spreads. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Let's get started. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have XM. XM is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, CFDs, commodities, indices, precious metals, energies, and shares. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM ultra low, and shares accounts with a variety of base currency options, negative account balance protection, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XM also provides their very own educational learning center, which covers various in-depth trading lessons, videos, and written guides, as well as a daily live streaming service and webinars that you can sign up to and take part in for a more personal educational experience. At number 4, we have Go Markets. Go Markets is an online, fully regulated Australian financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, metals, and commodities. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Standard and Go Plus accounts with up to 9 base tradable currency options and a variety of market instruments. Go Markets also provides their very own trading academy, which covers beginner's guides to Forex trading, free Forex educational courses, and MetaTrader 4 video tutorials to help you with any additional education you might be looking for. At number 3, we have Hot Forex. Hot Forex is another great online fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, and HF copy accounts with lower leverage, low minimum deposits, variable spreads, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, training courses, and webinars, which you can sign up to for a great personal educational experience. At number 2 on our list, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. Exness also provides their very own trading academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, as well as multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, and their upcoming webinars for you to browse through as you please. At last but not least, at number 1 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, FX options, ETFs, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. Avatrade's accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative account balance protection, risk warnings, and a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and 5, as well as Avatrade's WebTrader, and for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides great educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides that delve into professional trading techniques, economic indicators, and various educational trading methods and topics for you to browse through as you please. And those are our top 5 best fixed spread Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.